have to let the people decide. It's the only time that everyone as a voter has the same power with the rest of the voters in the Philippines, whether they're rich or powerful, isa lang ang botong binibilang. And we hope that all the agencies of the government, as well as the voters themselves and our countrymen, will be alert and will contribute to the peaceful and clean and honest voting in the polls.
Sir, may mensahe ba kayo? Kasi sa mga local candidates, marami dyan yung bumibili ng boto a day before election.
Dapat talaga itigil yan. Pero alam mo kasi ang problema niyan, I will go back to my original advocacy even when I was still a young lawyer. Alam po ninyo ang problema kasi sa atin talaga, sa ating bayan. Karamihan sa mga botante natin lack the educational requirements. Pag kasi ang isang botante hindi na nga nakapag-aral, mahirap pa, they're open to many factors to change their votes. They're open to intimidation, for one. They're open to threats. They're open to accepting money. Kasi nga mahirap. They're also open to choosing candidates na kasi tayo, pag tayo mga may pinag-aralan, hindi tayo boboto nang hindi kasing galing natin o mas magaling sa atin. Pero pag kulang ka sa tools, educational tools, syempre iba ang magiging standard. But yan ang goal natin. Hopefully, our countrymen will have education, all of us. Inumpisa na nga ng Presidente, di ba? May free education sa high school. Ako, sana magkaroon ng panahon where from prep to college, libre ang edukasyon sa Pilipinas. To all, everybody.